Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kinkdiva and I am Presh, and I'm going to be your host for today. So I'm recording this video to talk to you guys about this channel, what this channel is about, what you'll be learning from this channel, what to expect, and how often we're going to be posting our videos. So let's get right into it. So this is Kinkdiva, as you all know, and I'm going to be bringing you guys videos majorly from three categories. The first category would be hair and beauty. In this category, we're going to be learning how to take care of our natural hair, how to take care of our beauty, how to use several tips and tricks and recipes that I've been able to learn over the years to help our natural hair blossom and also help our beauty glow. If you know what I mean. Okay, then the second category would be my normal lifestyle videos. Okay, so I'll be vlogging as well. I'll be taking you guys out of the comfort of my home. We get to go outside, we get to go to events, parties and places like that. And also you get to see me sing. I love singing, so you guys get to see me sing and stuff like that. So the third category would be career and finance, and under this category we're going to be learning a lot about money, how to save money, how to make more money. But it's not a get rich quick scheme, it's just some tips, some tricks, proven facts that other people have used, my friends that I'm going to be bringing onto this channel to talk to us also, that they've been using, that I've been using, that have been working for us. We get to share it with you guys and it would help your financial life. And on the career part, I studied civil engineering, and I know it wasn't easy to have studied that course, and I know that a lot of ladies out there that want to go venture into courses like this, courses that are challenging, that people think that it's only for the men, but the ladies can also do it if they desire to. And I'll be sharing with you guys my experience, how I was able to study civil engineering and succeed at it. I actually came out with a 2-1. I went to University of Uyo, and it was a wonderful experience, and I got to share all of that with you guys. So that's like the categories of videos you guys will be seeing, the kind of content you guys will be seeing, you'll be expecting. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and please subscribe so that you can see the videos when they pop up. And also don't forget to click the notification bell just by the side of the subscription button, so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first person to see it and you can watch and learn. So guys, I'll see you in my next video.